Welcome to my channel, and I want to show you another gemstone which I added to my coloring book collection. It's one of two newest books by C.Karron. I managed to get one, and it's Wondrous Folk. You know that C.Karron is amazing, her portraits are very beautiful, but for the person who is afraid to color portraits, for myself, it was a big decision to start coloring in her books. I have already the first one, and I must say that it's one of the easiest portrait books to color even for beginners. So for me, it's a book where I absolutely enjoyed doing portraits, where I love to work with different art supplies, from watercolor to different color pencil brands, and where delicate shading provided by the artist, it's very helpful when you don't know where to put shadows. And of course, I enjoy original art by C.Karron full color and her videos on YouTube. So I decided that I absolutely need this Wondrous Folk, and when I received it, of course, I wasn't disappointed. First of all, it was published by my probably the favorite publishing company, Australian Blue Angel. They do such an amazing books. Paper is great. Paper is suitable for all art supplies, and I was happy to see that they continue to do coloring books. Also, as usual, I love that all pictures they have short names. Sometimes it gives me idea for color selection or about the story behind. I don't know why, but I love this small thing when in coloring books we have names of the pictures. It helps me also to name my videos. I'm not very familiar, maybe some of these pictures were included in C.Karron smaller books which were previously published via Amazon, but of course paper here is much better, so I definitely can recommend to invest into this one. I have one book by C.Karron where grayscale is so dark that I absolutely don't know how to color them. Here it's totally other thing with Blue Angel. I think that they do very nice work on balancing between white and gray. It's easy to color with oil-based pencil, transparent, or with Prismacolors, which are more opaque. So doesn't matter which pencils you use, results still will be beautiful. Definitely I will put this one into my to-do list for this Christmas. Lovely lady and not very complicated, I hope. I was happy to find a lot of flowers and also that Egyptian picture, which I will add to my collection of Egyptian colorings. Her ladies are always so beautiful. I love how she depicts hair. Very helpful to put highlights and shadows, to have three-dimensional locks and curls. Her fantasy pictures, they are absolutely beautiful. I a little bit more prefer when she put a frame around portraits, but of course I can do such frame myself. I think that it looks more accurate, and yeah, I prefer to limit amount of the background which I need to do. Look at this lady, she has such a beautiful eyes and beautiful hair. Yeah, frost. It will be nice to color it somewhere in January or February when I need winter pictures but without Christmas elements. Sorry, it's a new book, so it's difficult to flip pages. We have something to color during spring, during summer, during winter season. I hope that I will find maybe something also for witches. If no, then I have witches in previous books which I still hadn't colored. And this marigold, it's so lovely. I immediately noticed this one. I love marigolds and I love her face, of course, and her hair. New mermaids to color, perfect for mermaid. And look at this one, such a lovely lamp. Nice idea. I think that it's amazing that all her girls, they have different faces, different facial expressions, different age, different ethnicity. Because, well, honestly, there are lovely books with portraits, but like the same face, but with just different dresses, different hair, but it's not the thing for C.Karron. Her girls, they are different, but still all beautiful. Look at this one. Very good picture to practice how to color shiny gemstones and how to color pearls. Another winter one, but previous for me is a little bit more interesting. And look at this lovely steampunk lady. You know that I have a soft spot for all steampunk pictures, and especially here with the owl. It's very lovely. Look at this one. This will be a good coloring for Halloween. I already did similar portrait in Colorless Kingdom second volume, so maybe I will return to the same and to do portrait in C.Karron book also. Finally, almost the last one, the witch. Maybe I will try to do it for Halloween. Definitely one of the best books in my collection. I am very happy, even if I am still hesitant to color portraits with such beautiful art and with such beautiful quality of book. It's much easier. So this one I can definitely recommend to everyone.